Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to finally get those shredded abs? Today, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to achieve a sculpted core. We'll talk about the most effective exercises, the key role of nutrition, and the importance of consistency. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to build a strong, visible six-pack. Let's jump in. Section 1. The truth about abs: it's not just about crunches. One of the biggest misconceptions about getting abs is that it's all about doing endless crunches or ab exercises. You've probably seen people at the gym spending 30 minutes or more doing sit-ups, yet they still don't have visible abs. Why? Because getting shredded abs isn't just about working the muscles. It's about reducing body fat and developing core strength. First, let's break down the core. When we talk about abs, we're really referring to your entire core, which is a collection of muscles that work together to stabilize your spine, improve posture, and give you that aesthetic six-pack. These muscles include rectus abdominis, the front muscles we typically think of as the six-pack obliques. The muscles on the sides of your torso that help with rotation and stability, transverse abdominis. The deepest core muscles that act like a corset, stabilizing your trunk and assisting in proper breathing, lower back muscles. These support your spine and help with overall posture and movement. To get shredded abs, you need to focus on training all of these muscles, not just the front six-pack muscles. But even more important than the exercises is your overall body fat percentage. If you have a layer of fat covering your abs, no amount of crunches will make them visible. So, the secret formula to shredded abs is a combination of targeted core workouts, full body strength training, cardio, and a clean diet. Let's break down each part in detail. Before we continue, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Section 2. The best A-flat workouts for a shredded core. If you want well-defined abs, you need to strengthen all the muscles in your core. Here's a sample workout that targets your entire core from different angles. Workout routine. Plank variations. 3 sets of 30-60 seconds. Planks are one of the most effective exercises for building core stability. Begin with a standard plank, elbows directly under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels, and engage your abs. Once you've mastered the basic plank, try variations like side planks, plank to push up, or planks with leg lifts to target different areas of your core. Leg raises, 3 sets of 15 reps. This move works your lower abs, which are notoriously hard to target. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands under your hips. Slowly raise your legs up towards the ceiling, then lower them back down without letting them touch the floor. Make sure to engage your core throughout the entire movement. Russian twists, 3 sets of 20 reps per side. Russian twists are perfect for hitting your obliques. Sit with your knees bent and feet off the ground. Hold a weight or medicine ball with both hands, and twist your torso from side to side, touching the weight to the ground on each side. Keep your abs tight and your back straight for maximum effect. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds. This dynamic move is great for building both strength and endurance while also working your core. Start in a push-up position, then alternate driving your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line to get the most out of this exercise. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 20 reps per side. Bicycle crunches are a killer ab move that targets both the rectus abdominis and the obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring one knee towards your chest while twisting your upper body so that your opposite elbow meets the knee. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Hanging leg raises, 3 sets of 10-12 reps. For a more advanced lower ab workout, try hanging leg raises. Hang from a pull-up bar with your legs straight. Slowly lift your legs up until they're parallel with the ground, then lower them back down in a controlled motion. Avoid swinging your body or using momentum, and focus on engaging your abs. These exercises will build strength and definition in your core, but remember, you won't see those abs unless you lower your body fat. That's where the next part of this guide comes in: cardio and diet. Section 3. The role of cardio in getting shredded abs. No matter how hard you train your abs, they won't be visible unless you burn off the fat covering them. And that's where cardio comes in. To get shredded abs, you need to be in a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. Cardio helps create that deficit while also improving your cardiovascular health. But not all cardio is created equal when it comes to getting shredded abs. Long, slow cardio like jogging can be helpful, but it's not the most efficient way to burn fat. Instead, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is one of the best methods for fat loss. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity followed by a brief rest or lower-intensity exercise. This method not only burns calories during the workout but also increases your metabolism for hours afterward. Here's a simple HIIT routine you can follow to torch fat and reveal your abs. HIIT cardio routine. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Burpees, 30 seconds. High knees, 30 seconds. Rest, 30 seconds. Repeat this circuit 4-6 times for an intense fat-burning session. In addition to HIIT, you can also include activities like swimming, cycling, or sprinting to increase calorie burn. The key is to stay active and consistent with your cardio. Section 4. Nutrition. Abs are made in the kitchen. You've probably heard this before, but it's worth repeating. Abs are made in the kitchen. You can have the strongest core in the world, but if you're not eating right, your abs will stay hidden. Nutrition is arguably the most important part of getting shredded abs. To lose fat and reveal your abs, you need to focus on a few key principles. Diet tips for shredded abs. Caloric deficit. To lose fat, you need to be in a caloric deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than you burn each day. Start by calculating your maintenance calories, the number of calories you need to maintain your current weight, and aim to eat about 200,500 fewer calories than that. This moderate deficit will help you lose fat without sacrificing muscle. High protein. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle, and it also helps keep you feeling full. Aim to get around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Good sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and tofu. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fats. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish can actually help you lose fat by keeping you full and supporting metabolic health. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as fats are calorie-dense. Carbohydrates, timing and quality matter. While cutting carbs drastically isn't necessary, it's important to focus on the right types of carbs. Opt for complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, oats, and quinoa, which provide sustained energy. You can also time your carb intake around your workouts to ensure you're fueling your training sessions without over-consuming. Stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in fat loss and muscle definition. Dehydration can lead to bloating and make your abs appear less defined. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're working out intensely. Limit sugary and processed foods. Processed snacks, sugary drinks, and junk food can quickly add empty calories to your diet and sabotage your fat loss efforts. Try to minimize these as much as possible and instead focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. By following these nutrition guidelines, you'll be well on your way to lowering your body fat percentage and revealing those hard-earned abs. Section 5. Consistency, the key to success. Getting shredded abs isn't something that happens overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a lot of consistency. You need to stick to your workout routine, maintain your diet, and keep pushing forward even when progress seems slow. Remember, visible abs are the result of a combination of fat loss and muscle building, both of which take time. Make sure you're tracking your progress along the way. Take progress photos every couple of weeks, measure your waist, and note how your clothes fit. Sometimes changes are happening even if the scale isn't moving as fast as you'd like. Also, try to enjoy the process. Working towards a stronger, healthier body has benefits beyond aesthetics. A strong core improves posture, reduces back pain, and enhances athletic performance in virtually every sport. Section 6. Recovery. Don't neglect rest. One of the most overlooked aspects of building shredded abs is recovery. Your muscles don't grow during the workout, they grow during rest. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, 7-9 hours per night, and taking rest days to allow your muscles to repair and strengthen. Additionally, incorporating active recovery like stretching, yoga, or light walking can help with muscle soreness and flexibility. This not only aids recovery but also prevents injury, which is key for staying consistent with your training. To sum it all up, getting shredded abs is about more than just doing a bunch of ab exercises. You need a comprehensive approach that combines core strengthening workouts, fat-burning cardio, a clean diet, and consistent recovery. Focus on lowering your body fat percentage, strengthening all parts of your core, and staying consistent with your plan. If you do this, you'll start seeing your abs come through in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or what topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck on your journey to getting shredded abs. Stay consistent and stay strong.